Understanding the following 12 laws will help you gain many perspectives on life.
12 laws of causality will help us change our worldview. The law of karma is a natural, social, non-religious law. However, in the minds of many people, it still carries subjective connotations. Nevertheless, karma has been studied, applied, and demonstrated over many centuries. Philosophers and sociologists across generations have affirmed that these are a series of immutable laws in the universe concerning nature and society. Law of causality. You reap what you sow. The simple explanation for this law is that our thoughts and actions contain both positive and negative consequences. If we want peace, love, harmony, and prosperity, we must engage in actions that align with these positive factors, such as supporting peace, being kind, working diligently, and conducting business ethically. This basic law of causality is sometimes doubted because society still witnesses good people suffering while bad people enjoy success. However, these situations only occur temporarily because nature and society are constantly evolving. Things change, and the law of causality will always occur, whether sooner or later, depending on our own thoughts, attitudes, and actions. Law of change. History will repeat itself unless we make an effort to change it. Understanding change is the only way to influence our thoughts about the past. History will continue to repeat its course toward collapse if we do not think positively and take positive actions to steer history in a better direction. Law of creation. To achieve what we desire, we must actively participate in creating it. Our surroundings are created by the intentions of each person. When we enter the universe, our intentions will determine the creation of the universe and our lives. If we want to hold on to something, we must ensure it is truly what we want and work hard to build and maintain it. To achieve good academic results, we need to study hard. To have a prosperous life, we need to work hard. To have love, we must give love. Law of result. The best results are those that are shared with everyone. The final outcome will have less value if it does not contribute to the common good. In other words, no matter how wealthy you are, if you do not use your wealth to benefit those around you, it has no meaning beyond yourself. If you become beautiful, glamorous, and famous, but do not care about your family, friends, and society, only seeking attention, your beauty and appeal will eventually become meaningless. Similarly, talents, skills, and knowledge, if not used to build a better shared life, are not truly meaningful. Law of acceptance. Whether we deny it or not, reality remains reality. Accepting reality is a universal law. In many ideologies, simply put, we need to accept the current situation to improve it. If we only focus on the positive, avoiding or hiding the truth, we will not be able to create change to improve the situation, and it may even worsen. Law of responsibility. Our lives are shaped by what we have done. The only thing we can control is ourselves. If we want change, we must act to change what is happening in our minds and emotions regarding the people, things, and situations around us, rather than just complaining. Ask yourself why your life feels dull, or why you encounter bad luck. Change your path, meet new people, and try different approaches. Law of connection. Everything in the universe is related and connected, whether large or small. Our past, present, and future are all connected. If we want change, we must put effort into changing these connections. If we truly want a difference in our lives, start from scratch. Every step, from the initial to the final, is important. In the process of growth, all steps are necessary, so do not be discouraged if you have not yet achieved success or happiness. You might be at the early stages of connecting with success and happiness. Law of focus. No one can be noticed with just one action. In terms of spiritual development, we cannot expect growth by thinking negatively or acting recklessly. We must truly make an effort through various activities and methods to accomplish our beloved tasks and achieve our desired results. Law of focus. No one can be noticed with just one action. In terms of spiritual development, we cannot expect growth by thinking negatively or acting recklessly. we must truly make an effort through various activities and methods to accomplish our beloved tasks and achieve our desired results. Law of now, the present is all we have. Looking back with regret or looking forward with uncertainty can take away our opportunities for development. Old thoughts and behaviors may negate our potential. Thus, the best way to develop and thrive is to live in the present and focus on what is happening here and now, as it is all we have. Law of maturity. We always mature despite adversity. In the desert there are cacti and camels. In the ocean there are fish, and in the sky there are birds. Weather changes and both living beings and people adapt and grow stronger. Therefore, even if we face difficulties and uncertainties in life, remember the law of maturity, for within us is a force that helps us become stronger and rise above adversity. Law of patience and reward. No reward is given to those with impatient behavior and thinking. We cannot reduce the effort in our work through daydreaming, but through persistence. Patience is the key when we do not see immediate rewards in material or attitude. Always remember that the reward comes not from the final result, but from the endless joy of the process of meaningful actions, and from the knowledge and experience gained from useful activities in life. These are the 12 fundamental laws of movement and development in nature and society. We should remember them, so that whenever life has its ups and downs, we can remain self-controlled and balanced. However, despite being natural laws, there will always be deviations, and social laws will always have exceptions. These deviations and exceptions sometimes make the laws abstract and hard to grasp. Nevertheless, karma remains an immutable law in the universe concerning nature and society. I wish you a broader, more optimistic, and insightful view of life.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.